Okay, up here in Bradford and Dixiana, and this is the old Dixiana road right here. And what you got here is a set of the old L&N Birmingham Railroad rails right here that would have headed out towards the Self Creek branch. And what you've got up here, the old Dixiana-Bradford Coke Ovens right here. Right here on the road. And only time to really see these is in the winter time. So I'll go up here to get some pictures, and it's amazing they're still intact after over 100, probably 130 years. 130, 40 years, 130 years maybe. So, all right. Okay, I'm not sure how many battery of coke ovens there were right up here in Dixiana, Bradford, but they're pretty beautifully preserved. Just been left out here in the woods right next to the road here. And I'm dropping you to one of them. This would be a beehive coke oven right here. Have to be careful if you're walking up top, man. It doesn't look too sturdy if you walk on top of these things. But I think these may go back to the 1890s. I'm not sure. I could be off by about 10 years or so. But anyway, pretty neat find. These are just here off the road. And really something. So, all right, I'll get a few more photos, maybe one more video, and go ahead and conclude this. But these are the Dixiana-Bradford Coke Ovens. And I think this may go back to Birmingham Furnace and Manufacturing Company, but if not, they definitely go back to Imperial Coal and Coke Company. So, all right. Okay, last video here of the Dixiana-Bradford Coke Ovens. Looks like there is just one battery of Coke Ovens. So, like I said, I don't know how many how far back it goes. Could be they had 40, 50, 60 Coke Ovens. It seemed to be about average. But anyway, just thought I'd video this. And this will be on top of the Coke Ovens right here. And I don't really want to go stepping around here too much, because I don't want to go in one of those holes. So, but anyway, this is just on top of Coke Ovens here. All right. Good find. All right, conclude this video.